Alright. So, got an eat-in kitchen over here. Got a garden window. Kitchen don't look bad. It's probably original cabinets and all, but. We can put, got a range hood here, but it's high enough up that you really could put a microwave in there.
Yeah.
The range hood's there. You already have the electric.
Now, what is this?
Huh? That's usually where they were used to be hot plates back in the day. It's basically a cutting table.
Okay.
What do you got in here? Look at that, they made something in here. What in the world is that? This is a washer dryer hookup, so they don't have to reach down. They had front loaders.
Yeah.
So they probably built that. That might have to come out. The flooring doesn't go under, so.
Yeah.
Wow, the floor's all been epoxied already. Doesn't look like they're quite all finished with it. Got a couple extra spaces in the electrical panel. Got a central vac. Not working. Water heater. They put a new door in over here. That looks okay. Got gutters everywhere too. Air conditioner. It's probably about a 5-ton, I'd have to say 4.5 to 5 ton. It's quiet here. You could put a boat here if you wanted to, or whatever. And you do have a well back there. See the well head sticking up. So all your irrigation is through the well, not metered.